my rosebuds, and welcome back to a brand new video. It is your girl Nava Rose, and today I have a first impressions haul for you. Before we get into this haul, I do have a few things to say about the coronavirus because literally things have escalated here in California, and this type of video, this specific haul, is kind of like an unboxing video, so I do try on the clothes with you guys. So I wanted to let you guys know that I did disinfect the clear poly bags that the clothes came in when I got the package. I think it's definitely important right now that we stay as healthy as we can and try to follow the rules as best as we can. So stay inside, wash your hands, try to disinfect as many things as you can, especially packages. Even if the virus hasn't really affected where you live and it's not as crazy as it is in other places of the world, you should still try your best to be as cautious as possible. As far as the clothes, I didn't wash them because, like I said before, this is an unboxing video where I try on the clothes with you guys on camera. However, I did read that the virus can live on fabric for up to 3 days. These clothes have been in their poly bags for over a week ever since I've gotten them, so it shouldn't be effective because it's been in there for so long without any human contact for a while. However, for you guys, if you get a package of clothes, I would definitely suggest trying to wash it right away. So yeah, that's my little quarantine message. If you guys are unfamiliar with my first impression hauls or these kind of hauls in general, basically what I do is I try on the clothes on camera in front of you guys, obviously not like fully on camera. That's why I have my beautiful backdrop here. That way you guys can see my first impressions on the clothes itself and the first thoughts and things that come to my head, because I'm not very quick, so whatever comes to my head I will just say it out loud. Today's first impressions haul is sponsored by Princess Polly. A lot of US and UK brands, they always tend to run big, so I always have to alter the top and the waist. I absolutely love Princess Polly. I think their sizing is just on point. I never have to alter anything. It's just perfect for me. And because they love you guys all so much, they are giving my viewers a 20% off discount code. All you have to do is input Nava Rose at checkout to get some money off of your order. So the video concept was supposed to be focused on festival season. However, because the Ronies wanted to jump in and ruin everything, this is gonna be a nice little springtime quarantine first impression haul. How to look cute while being quarantined and fighting off this coronavirus. That's the concept today. Oh no! Everything is literally still in their packaging. As you guys can also see, it is a lot of clothes. So let us get onto this haul. We're trying on this bang crop top, which I originally just got for Coachella because Big Bang is performing and it says Bang on the front of it because I plan to wear it while I watch them. It has these cute little ties right here. It definitely does have a 2000s vibe to it. If I ever see Big Bang live, I will definitely be wearing this shirt. Hey dog, maybe. Next we're gonna try on this. Wow, this. You know, I did not expect it to be so see-through, but I'm gonna try it on anyways. Well, I forgot how to wear a halter. Oh, what? Huh? What am I doing with it? Ah, it's cold. It's cold. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Oh my. Ooh. Wow! I am speechless. Also, I'm wearing band-aids and you can't even tell. Can you? Can you tell? Can you tell that I'm wearing band-aids or not? Wow! And look at this fit. This is not going anywhere. Just practicing my body rolls for the festival. I wish I wasn't quarantined or else I'd like go out in this right now, tonight, to the bar in this top because this top is just everything. All right guys, the haul is done. Have a good day. That was nice. You guys might recognize this bodysuit from another Princess Polly haul. This is like my favorite bodysuit from them, but yeah, I'm gonna use this to try on all the bottoms. I'm gonna try on the first miniskirt, which is this white slit miniskirt. And I must say, I live for Princess Polly's mini dresses and their miniskirts. Amazing sizing, great fit, really cute designs, and I never have to alter them. Everyone is so confused why I'm usually putting my skirts through the top and not from the bottom, because that means the waist fits you really snugly if it can't go past your butt or your thighs. And I love that so much. Yes! I love a good fitting mini skirt. Don't tell me this doesn't fit nicely. It fits me perfectly. Am I really crying over skirt? Yes, I am. Also, Princess Polly has free express shipping, which is 2 days for all US orders that are over $50. So definitely take advantage of that because 2 days is so fast. That's basically Amazon right there, but for clothing, for cute mini skirts. I think I got this one in a black too. These are my favorite skirts in the whole wide world. They're just so freaking cute. Wow. Wow. Do you guys see this? This is what I'm saying. You never have to alter anything. And also Princess Polly offers Afterpay for all their US customers. It's basically a payment plan where you buy now and then pay for it later. That way you guys could pay it little by little, which is also very helpful. Next we have this denim top. Oh, might be a little difficult to get into right now because that's a lot of buttons. Oh man. Ooh, cute. Obviously, I would wear it with probably like a set of low-rise jeans. I feel like for festival season, denim on denim will definitely be trending, so keep note of that if you want that as an outfit idea. Okay, so I actually picked this top because the title said Dionysus, which is one of BTS's songs, which I know is also God, but I mean, also BTS. Bralette made by yours truly when she had a line, which was not even a real line. Anyways, I love the little lettuce hem. These are perfect for festival season. I probably wouldn't wear it with a black bralette. I'd probably wear it with the white one. This is cute. It's a perfect crop too. Like a perfect cropped length. Thrills. I do it for the thrills. Oh, this is nice. This is a cute, nice little relaxed tee. If you're more of a casual person, then this is a cute tee. Are you getting light, huh? So next I'm trying on this denim romper that I think is so adorable. Yay, love rompers. Oh, this is so cute. So this one specific, rompers are great for festivals because it's literally just one outfit. You don't have to worry about a top and a bottom and trying to match it, but you have to get completely naked in the stall. So there's that as well. The first dress that I'm gonna try on is this green mint one. Oh, this is so cute. All right, let's try this on. Ooh. Wow, I'm telling you, Princess Polly sizing. This is so oh my god. Wow, this is really cute. Now, is this off the shoulder? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh my god. It makes my A cup look like I have like something going on here. Thank you. Oh, sis, with the belt. Oh man, I am ready. Someone invite me to a cute little picnic or 50s or 60s party because this dress is definitely the one. This would be so cute for the desert. I'm just imagining old 60s glam out in the desert with a cute outfit and some sunglasses and your hair. Oh my gosh. Next I have this baby blue frilled mini dress. Oh, this is adorable. I'm hoping that Lovers and Friends isn't canceled. They haven't postponed it or announced anything about it yet, but it's in May. The color scheme is very baby blue and pink, so this would be perfect for it. So please don't cancel it. Also, don't cancel the BTS LA tour because they haven't announced it yet. But we also stand very healthy kings. We don't want to put them in danger. Just saying. Whoa, whoa. I just get so excited when clothes fit me correctly. Like this baby blue dress. It's so adorable. Oh, this ruching. Okay. Oh, you guys know me. I live for some good ruching on the hips because it just makes my butt and my hips look a lot better with the little ruching right here. I love tops like this. People on Saturdays, you know. And the last dress we're gonna try on is this really cute pink one. I'm so excited to try this. Definitely my aesthetic. I'm struggling. What? Eh? Help! Oh my gosh, so I literally had to get off camera just to put this dress on. But anyways, it was totally worth it. It's so cute! It's very 2000s inspired. I specifically got this one for the Lovers and Friends festival. So hopefully I'll be able to wear this after everything with the coronavirus settles down. Wow, wow, oh my gosh. Oh, this dress is so amazing. Alright, Alright, so we got stuff from Mix Mix that we're going to try on as well. This is definitely going to be a little bit more K-fashion styled. Yeah! Yeah! Oh my gosh, I'm about to break a nail. I don't know why I'm opening my package like this. Whoa! Clouds! I've also been trying to experiment with green because green is such a really cute color and I think it's going to trend a lot this season as well. Also love myself a good two-piece set. Those are perfect for festival season. Oh, look how cute this set is. I think ruching is very flattering in my opinion. So the next top we're going to try on this Wendy's long sleeve top. I saw it on the website and I was like, I need to have this because it's Wendy's. Where? I just think it's hilarious because it's a Wendy's sweater. It's a really cool green color too. It's not super bright. Ooh, it's soft. Yes! A nice oversized sweater. Oh my gosh, this is such a cool shirt. I love it. Cute. The shirt itself feels really nice and I love that it has this embroidery hit at the front. They also have little finger slits for your thumbs. This is also from Hide and Seek and this is a purple type of varsity sweater, so I'm just gonna wear it over top. Oh yeah, this combo is really nice with the turtleneck underneath. Yes! Yes! Yes, this is cute. This definitely feels like a good outside lens and the type of vibe of the festival is calmer, chiller. We're going to try on this sweater as well. Ooh, this feels nice and plush. This totally reminds me of the 90s. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Ooh, I'm into this. Ooh, it's so fuzzy. I like that it's oversized. And it has a drawstring? Hold on. Ooh, that's lit. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh, this is such a cool sweater. Okay, these outfits were very dad-esque, I must say. Or at least like the last two ones. But yeah, then again, if your festival style isn't very sexy and mini dresses and mini skirts, then this look is also a good one for you as well. Head rush. I also have this white bucket hat because I feel like I've been needing one recently and BTS makes me want to own bucket hats. I still think bucket hats look weird on me, but we're gonna try it on anyways. You guys tell me. Yes? No? Yes, no. I kind of feel like I look like a fisherman or a gardener. Everything just sounds so loud. That is all for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys like these first impression hauls, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up on this video. If you guys want to connect with me, all my socials are at @the_Nava_Rose, except for TikTok, which is at @the.Nava_Rose. And yeah, let's connect on social media and practice social distancing. Bye guys, I love you so much. Bye!
I've been scoring, cheap thrills bore me, blah blah, you bore me, caution, warning. I've been scoring, I've been scoring.